Are you bored of your username and display name on Snapchat and want to change it immediately? Well, this video will guide you on how to do it. Without any further delay, let's get started. Open Snapchat on Android. Tap on the avatar icon on the top left corner. Now tap on Settings icon on the next page. It is on the top right corner. Next, tap on Name Settings. Edit your name according to your preference. You can change display name whenever you want. Go back to the previous settings, tap on Username, type the new username you want to have on your account. Type a unique username that is available to use. After that, tap on Change Username. Remember, you can change your username once in a year, so be careful while choosing your username. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, then hit that like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.